Multiply 26 by 400 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 4. Start two places to the left. 4 times 6 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 10. The third partial product is 10,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 4 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 0. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 10,400. So 26 times 400 is 10,400.